Welcome back to Styled and Sorted. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make or break your space: common color mistakes to avoid in interior design, and how to master the color wheel. Did you know that choosing the wrong color combination can ruin the vibe of your room, making it feel chaotic or dull, even when you've picked beautiful furniture and decor? But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people make common color mistakes in interior design without realizing it. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting your design journey, understanding how colors interact is the secret to creating spaces that feel balanced, vibrant, and uniquely you. Today, I'll help you avoid those mistakes and teach you how to use the color wheel to make practical, stylish color choices for your home. Let's get started. Segment 1: Common color mistakes to avoid in interior design. Mistake 1: Overusing one color, monotony. One of the most common pitfalls in interior design is playing it too safe by relying on a single color throughout the room. While neutral spaces can create a calm and soothing atmosphere, overusing the same tone, like beige, white, or gray, can leave the space feeling flat, dull, and uninspiring. The solution: breaking the monotony. Bring life and personality back into the room by thoughtfully incorporating complementary or contrasting colors. Here's how. Accent decor. Add vibrant or contrasting colors through pillows, throw blankets, rugs, or curtains. For example, in a beige room, try adding navy blue or mustard yellow accents to create contrast. Artwork and statement pieces. Use bold wall art, vases, or decorative sculptures to introduce color and depth to neutral spaces. Layered textures and materials. Break the monotony without overdoing color by mixing textures like wood, woven fabrics, metals, or velvet. Plants and natural elements. Greenery works wonders in a monotone room, bringing a fresh and lively touch while complementing neutral tones. With just a few carefully placed accents and varied materials, you can transform a monotonous room into a cozy, balanced, and visually dynamic space. Mistake 2: Ignoring the role of neutrals. On the flip side, using too many bold or vibrant colors without balancing them with neutrals can make a room feel overwhelming and chaotic. The solution: balance with neutral backdrops. Neutrals like white, beige, or gray should act as the calming foundation that allows accent colors to pop without creating chaos. Here's how. Neutral base for walls and furniture. Use neutral walls, sofas, or rugs as a subtle backdrop to avoid visual overload. Beige and light gray are excellent options for creating warmth. Carefully placed pops of color. Introduce color sparingly through pillows, throws, curtains, and decor pieces like vases or artwork. For example, navy blue, mustard yellow, or emerald green can shine beautifully when paired with neutrals. Textural variety. Layer textures like wood, velvet, woven fabrics, and metallic decor to maintain depth and character without needing excessive color. Lighting to highlight accents. Proper lighting, such as warm, ambient lighting or spotlights on artwork, helps maintain balance by enhancing focal points while keeping the overall tone soothing. Strategic use of greenery. A few green plants or floral arrangements can add a natural vibrancy that works harmoniously with both neutral and bold accents. By following these steps, you can create a space that feels dynamic yet cohesive, with bold accents perfectly balanced by a neutral, calming base. Mistake 3: Neglecting color temperature. Did you know that colors have temperatures? Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows evoke energy and vibrancy, making them ideal for spaces designed for activity. Cool colors like blues, greens, and purples create calmness and relaxation, perfect for areas meant for rest and focus. One common mistake is choosing colors without considering the room's purpose. For example, too much red in a bedroom can feel overstimulating, while excessive cool blues in a dining room may feel cold or unwelcoming. The solution: match the color temperature to the room's function. To achieve the perfect ambiance, match the color temperature to the room's purpose, ensuring a space that feels both functional and comfortable. Warm colors for social spaces. Warm tones work best in rooms like living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens, where energy and interaction are essential. Incorporate them through warm accent walls, cushions, or rugs to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that promotes connection and comfort. Cool colors for relaxing spaces. Cool tones are ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, and home offices, as they help reduce stress and promote calmness. You can incorporate them through cool-toned bedding, curtains, or feature walls to create a soothing and relaxing atmosphere. Balance both warm and cool tones. Some spaces, like home offices, can benefit from a balance. For example, use a cool color scheme with warm wood accents to avoid a sterile look. Lighting matters. Lighting can alter how colors are perceived. Use warm lighting in cool-toned rooms for a cozy feel or natural light to enhance the vibrancy of warm spaces. By aligning colors with the room's purpose and complementing them with strategic lighting, you can create a space that's both functional and comfortable. Mistake 4: lack of contrast. Rooms that lack contrast often feel flat and lifeless. When the walls, furniture, and decor all share the same tone, whether it's beige, gray, or any other neutral, the space loses its visual interest and depth. This creates a monotonous environment that can feel boring and uninspiring. The solution: introduce contrast. To create a dynamic and engaging space, introduce contrast using complementary or opposing colors from the color wheel. Here's how. Introduce complementary colors. Pair colors that are opposite on the color wheel to create bold contrast. For example, combine navy blue with orange or deep green with rusty red to make the space pop. Layer different tones and textures. If you're working with neutrals, add contrast by using various shades within the same palette. For instance, pair light beige walls with dark brown furniture or metallic decor accents to break the monotony. Use color accents. Add small but impactful pops of color through throw pillows, rugs, curtains, or artwork. For example, in a room with neutral tones, a mustard yellow cushion or teal vase can immediately draw attention and add vibrancy. Play with dark and light elements. Balance light walls or furniture with darker decor elements like black frames, deep wood finishes, or charcoal throw blankets. This will create depth and a more layered look. Incorporate patterns. Use patterns that naturally incorporate contrast, like striped rugs, geometric prints, or floral artwork, to inject variety and energy into the space. By strategically balancing contrasting colors and tones, you can breathe life into any room, making it visually stimulating and full of character. Mistake 5: not testing colors in real lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in how colors are perceived. A paint color that looks perfect in a store or on a small swatch can look completely different once applied to your walls and viewed under different lighting conditions. Natural light, warm lighting, and cool artificial lighting can all alter the appearance of a color, making it brighter, duller, warmer, or even completely changing its undertone. A common mistake many people make is skipping the step of testing colors in their actual rooms and relying solely on how the color looks in stores or showrooms, often resulting in disappointment when the color appears too dark, washed out, or carries an unexpected undertone once applied. For example, a soft beige that looked warm in a store can appear grayish or dull under cool lighting at home. A bright blue accent wall can feel overwhelming under artificial lighting but serene in natural light. The solution: always test first. To avoid surprises, follow these steps before committing to a color. Test paint samples on multiple walls. Paint small swatches on different walls in the room, as each wall may receive varying amounts of light. Observe how the color changes throughout the day under both natural light and artificial lighting. Evaluate under different lighting conditions. View the swatches in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Artificial lighting, like warm, incandescent bulbs or cool LEDs, can affect how vibrant or muted the color appears. Test fabrics and finishes too. If you're choosing curtains, upholstery, or rugs, lay out samples in the room and see how they look under changing light. Consider the direction of light. North-facing rooms often receive cool, indirect light, which can make warm colors appear more muted. South-facing rooms get warm, bright natural light, enhancing warm and vibrant tones. Use lighting to complement your color choice. Once the right color is chosen, enhance its beauty by using the appropriate lighting. Warm lighting for cozy, intimate spaces and cool lighting for clean, bright areas. By testing colors in real lighting, you can ensure that the final result matches your expectations, creating a space that feels cohesive and visually pleasing. Segment 2: How to use the color wheel in a practical and useful way. Now that we know what to avoid, let's talk about how to use the color wheel to select the perfect palette for any space. Step 1: Understanding the basics of the color wheel. Here's a quick refresher. The color wheel is divided into primary colors, such as red, yellow, and blue, secondary colors, such as green, orange, and purple, and tertiary colors, like red, orange, and blue-green. The wheel helps us see how colors relate to one another. Step 2: Choosing a color scheme, using color harmonies. 1. Complementary colors, for bold statements. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange or red and green. This combination creates high contrast and energy, perfect for bold, modern designs. Use one color as the main shade and the other as an accent to prevent the room from feeling overwhelming. 2. Analogous colors, for a relaxed, harmonious look. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the wheel, like green, blue-green, and blue. These create a calming, cohesive vibe, making them ideal for bedrooms and living spaces. Pick one dominant color and layer the other two through decor, textiles, and artwork. 3. Triadic colors, for a vibrant and playful look. Triadic schemes use 3 colors evenly spaced around the wheel, like red, yellow, and blue. They create a balanced, dynamic look. One color should be dominant, while the other 2 serve as supporting accents to maintain balance. 4. Monochromatic colors, for minimalist and elegant designs. Monochromatic schemes involve using different shades, tints, and tones of a single color. This is perfect for minimalistic spaces or rooms where you want a sophisticated, clean look. Introduce texture through materials like wood, fabric, or metal to keep the room visually interesting. Step 3. Use accent colors wisely. Even if you prefer neutral or monochromatic designs, adding pops of accent colors can bring life to your space. You can switch up accents seasonally or when you feel like refreshing the room. Think throw pillows, artwork, vases, or even a colorful rug. If you would like to explore more about color theory and learn how to apply it effectively in your spaces, be sure to check out the video now appearing on your screen. Segment 3. Final tips and common color wheel mistakes. Before you go, here are a few quick tips to make the most of the color wheel while avoiding mistakes. 1. Don't overdo it with too many colors. Limit your palette to 2 to 3 main colors and use neutrals to balance them out. Too many colors can feel chaotic. 2. Match color schemes to room function. For relaxing spaces like bedrooms, stick to cool, analogous colors. For social spaces, consider warm or complementary schemes. 3. Don't forget texture and lighting. A great color palette can fall flat if the room lacks texture or proper lighting. Combine materials like wood, leather, and fabric, and use multiple light sources to highlight colors. Call to action and outro. And there you have it. By avoiding common color mistakes and mastering the color wheel, you can transform any room into a stylish, inviting space. Experiment and have fun with colors. Which color scheme are you excited to try in your home? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!